Tonight is forecasted to be the coldest night yet that we've had this year. And so I've parked Megatron outside for the night. A long, cold, lonely night, so that in the morning we can do a cold start. "7 degrees outside this morning." That's a true to life cold start for you. Now, I don't know if it would have made any difference. I didn't give it any throttle. I didn't apply any throttle while I was starting it. And I didn't cycle the key. Well, I cycled it one time. The first 2 attempts, I didn't cycle the key. So I don't know if that would have made any difference. But it started up. It's running.